You know what is heat? It is a form of energy. Now we are going to learn about what is temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a substance, of a thing, then we are calling it as temperature. Temperature means the degree of hotness or coldness of anything or any substance or any living organism, that is called as temperature. The instrument used to measure temperature is called as thermometer. Thermo means heat. Wherever the word thermo comes, blindly close the eyes and say it is related to heat. Understand, students? So thermometer is used to measure the heat. What is the temperature of our body? Our temperature of our body is 37 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature of the room temperature? Is 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. The room temperature is around 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. In thermometer, this two types of thermometer is there. One is degree Celsius thermometer, another one is Fahrenheit. That all you will study in the higher class. Actually, when we are measuring the temperature, this temperature are measured in 3 units. Actually, we are going to learn about Celsius only, students, and Fahrenheit, how it is correlated. But this is for your knowledge, I am saying. Temperature, it is of 3 forms. That is, temperature can be measured in 3 units. What are the 3 units? One is Kelvin. In laboratories, they are using Kelvin. In bigger laboratories, research laboratories, while making some things, they are using this Kelvin. Understand, students? And next is what we are using, Celsius. Understand, students? And next one is Fahrenheit. Understand? This Fahrenheit is used, and here you can see that in degrees Celsius, our temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, and by Fahrenheit wise, our temperature is 98 degree Fahrenheit. Understand, students? So normally we are using Celsius. Understand, students? And now we are going to learn about also Celsius thermometer. Thermometer is the instrument that used to measure the heat, and there are 2 types of thermometer is that we are going to see now. Okay, students?